Hey everyone, so today we're gonna do a braised Korean spicy tofu, and it is such a simple recipe to make, and it's so savory and it pairs so well with just a bowl of rice. So I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. So to start off with, you want to take a block of tofu and cut it into 1/4-inch slices and have these guys pressed just to get rid of some of the liquid for like 15 to 20 minutes. So now for the braising liquid, I have 2 teaspoons of Korean hot chili pepper. You can add more or less to your liking, some coconut sugar, some salt, and then I have some of this Lee Kum-ki gluten-free soy sauce, since I think this whole recipe is gonna be gluten-free. And then I'm adding in 3/4 of a cup of water, and that's it. At first, I thought that this sauce would be way too light, but because you are braising the tofu in this, feel free to add more if it happens to evaporate in the pan. It's just at the end of it, you want to reduce that sauce down so that it's just a little bit thicker and then coats the tofu. As you saw, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of the Lee Kum-ki minced garlic into some sesame oil and then just a little bit of vegetable oil. And that's really going to make everything nice and nutty and savory and fragrant before we add in the tofu slices. So medium heat, I'd say about 2 to 3 minutes each side, just until it gets slightly browned. So after you put in that braising liquid, you want to bring it up to a boil and then cook the tofu for right around 1 to 2 minutes each side so that it can absorb all of that yummy liquid. And again, if you don't have enough liquid, like if it's not really covering up the tofu, feel free to add in just a little bit more water, but just reduce it down a bit before you're ready to serve. You're all done, so you can do your final tastings, add a little bit of salt, add a little bit of sugar if needed, and then transfer it over to a plate and top it off with some scallions and toasted sesame seeds. Oh my gosh, for a spicy dish, this one is absolutely delicious. And again, serve it with a bowl of rice, serve it with a bowl of quinoa, and the saltiness and the spiciness from it just mixes so well with that starch. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed that recipe, and as usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, if you want to see more tofu recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!